Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'll be vacuum sealing, marinating, seasoning, and vacuum sealing some chicken legs. Okay, now let's get started. I already washed the chicken legs. Can't find no more fresh wings, y'all. So I'm towel drying them so they're as dry as possible before I put anything on them. Soften up the water in the bottom of the bowl. So these chicken legs are pretty dry. Okay, get rid of this. Okay. And I'm going to prepare these bags. These are my vacuum sealer bags. So this is where I prepare the bags, fold them down like that before you put anything in them. Anything messy, because you don't want nothing messy on the outside of the bag. That's supposed to go in the vacuum sealer. It's got about 13 legs in there, so I just need 2 bags. And I have to buy more quart-size bags. This is a gallon-size bag. And I don't like to waste bags. Okay. Now I'm going to put the seasonings on here, starting with my yellow mustard. I always marinate with yellow mustard. I don't care what kind of meat it is. Fish, chicken, ribs, pork chops, steak. Okay, that's a nice good swig. You don't have to go crazy with the mustard. And you won't taste the mustard, okay? Let me tell you what's in mustard. Vinegar, water, mustard seed, salt, turmeric, paprika. So, that's what's in mustard. Turmeric is good for you. And vinegar helps to tenderize. So, it won't taste like mustard. Okay, try it. What is this? Okay, this is 2 tablespoons of ground white pepper. Looks like a lot. I'll just use 1.5 tablespoons. This is 2 tablespoons of smoked hickory smoked sea salt. This is a 1/2 tablespoon of ground ginger. Last time y'all want to know how much of everything I used. Okay, I'm using onion powder. I'm just shaking it till it seems like enough. That's good. Garlic powder. Same thing. I'm going to shake it till it feels like it's enough. Okay, that's good. My smoked paprika. This tastes better than regular paprika. I think the regular paprika is mainly for color, but this actually tastes good. I'm going to use a little extra turmeric, because turmeric is good for you. And it helps to color the chicken. Okay, that's good. I'm using a little cayenne pepper. I like my red pepper, y'all. Just a little, even though I got that white pepper in there. And I will be using black pepper. And some big ground black pepper. I'll just sprinkle it in here till it looks right. Okay, that's good. Now, I think that's it. So all the seasonings I'm going to use. Put my glove on. And I'm going to smush it. Okay. Get over here. Oh, and this is a over the sink rack, and I love it because it gives me more counter space. Okay, I'm gonna smush all this stuff together. So when I put them in the vacuum sealer bag, and I'm going to freeze them, and then when I get ready to cook, they're ready to cook. They're already washed and seasoned, marinated. So I'm trying to evenly coat each piece. Okay, you gotta watch me do this. I'll be back when I'm ready to vacuum seal. It smells good. Okay. Can't shut it off. Okay, now everything is thoroughly coated with the seasoning. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the legs in the bag. Open it up good. Just drop them in there. That's good. Get 7 in this bag and 6 in the other. Okay. I'm going to take this glove off. Get rid of this. Turn this off for now. Making noise. Okay, plug my vacuum sealer in. This is the ACOC vacuum sealer. And I use this most often. I have another one. I use this most often because this is out. So it's readily accessible. The other one is in the box. This is the one I grab all the time. So I'm going to arrange these legs so they're not all bunched up. And press out as much air as possible. Let's see what I'm doing. I'm putting the edge of the bag, the open edge of the bag, down in this trough. See, it's a chamber right here. That's the vacuum seal. If I just want to seal the bag up, I just put the edge of the bag on this part here. So putting the end of the bag down in there. I have to lock each end. Then press vacuum seal. And you're going to see the bag draw up. Look at that. It's pulling the air out. And while it's doing that, it's also infusing all them seasonings into the meat. If I wanted to, what you call that thing? What is that thing called? If I wanted to sous vide this chicken, I could. After it being seasoned and vacuum sealed like this will go right into the sous vide bath. Okay. This is ready to put in my freezer, and it's ready, basically ready to cook. Okay. And I straighten out the legs so it doesn't take that much space up in the freezer. They were all bunched up together. It will take up a lot of space. So if I left them balled up like this, they would take up a lot of space in the freezer. So I'm straightening out the bag. And you see the outside of the bag is not messy. Okay. Once again, I'm straightening out these legs. Go over there. Okay. From the edge of this bag down in the trough. You have to lock it. Okay. I'll push the air out. Push as much air out as possible, then let it do the rest. Vacuum seal. You see the bag shrinking up. That's pulling the air out, y'all. So the vacuum seal light stopped flashing, so now the seal light is on, so it's just sealing. Okay, that's it. Vacuum sealed legs, ready for the freezer. Okay. So I will leave a link for everything I talked about in this video. That's the ACOG vacuum sealer, the bags. I showed my stainless steel bowl that I love. I'll put a link for that. It comes in a set. I also put a link for my over the sink tray. That saves counter space. That extends counter space. And what else I got here? That's it. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. And stay safe, y'all. Bye. Thumbnail.